Welcome back, folks, to another exciting episode. Today, we've got some wild AI stories from the world of tech and entertainment. Let's dive straight into it. First up, a controversy brewing in Hollywood.
Oh, yes, you're talking about the AI-generated actor, Tilly Norwood, right? Introduced by Aline van der Velden. She's been pitched as the next big thing, potentially rivaling Scarlett Johansson. But Hollywood's not having it. What's the deal with this one?
Exactly. Tilly is a 100% AI creation, and some agencies are even considering signing her. But Hollywood actors and guilds are up in arms about AI replacing human talent. It's stirring up a huge debate on the future of creative professions.
Yeah, the idea of AI actors opens up a ton of ethical questions. Could this mean that real actors will be out of a job? It's a slippery slope, especially considering how AI is evolving so quickly.
It's definitely a hot topic. Moving on, MIT has just dropped a bombshell about generative AI pilots. Turns out, 95% of them are failing. The reason? Poor data and tech aspirations that go beyond reality.
Ouch! That's a tough one. The internet is absolutely roasting these AI failures, right? And people are starting to poke fun at how we keep hearing about AI job losses that never actually happen.
Right? It's almost like people hyped up AI as the next big thing, but the reality is far from it. We've got all these big expectations, but the systems are still struggling with basic tasks.
Well, in other news, Apple's research team has uncovered something even more mind-blowing. Their AI reasoning models collapse when faced with simple logic puzzles. They give up after a few steps.
Hilarious. If AI can't even handle basic puzzles like the Tower of Hanoi, it makes you question how close we really are to true AGI. Turns out we're not there yet.
For sure. Now, switching gears a bit, AI has invaded the world of viral videos. You know the funny cat dance videos? Yeah, those are all AI generated now, flooding platforms like YouTube and Instagram.
They're absolutely everywhere. These AI-generated cats are getting millions of views. It's crazy how AI is infiltrating even the simplest forms of entertainment. We're living in the future.
And it's not just the funny cats. In agriculture, AI is having some hilarious mishaps too. Imagine a crop diagnosis tool that thinks cows are dangerous onions or mistaking lettuce fields for skyscrapers.
Oh man, those AI mistakes are hilarious, especially when farmers turn them into memes. But on a serious note, it's interesting to see how AI is slowly becoming part of the farming process. Imagine all the potential when these tools get better.
Agreed. Now let's talk money. OpenAI recently signed a $100 billion cloud contract. That's a lot of power and electricity, representing about 1% of the entire US electricity grid.
Wow, that's an insane amount of energy for AI. People are starting to wonder, are we headed for an AI apocalypse with all this tech eating up resources? It's sparking a whole new wave of doomsday memes.
That's a bit extreme, but I get the concern. AI's hunger for resources is definitely growing, and it'll be interesting to see how sustainable it all is.
Exactly. Moving on, there's chatter about an AI bubble about to burst. Investors are getting nervous since 95% of AI ventures are failing. Sound familiar? It's like the crypto craze all over again.
It's funny how history repeats itself, isn't it? AI was supposed to be the next big thing, but with so many failures, we're starting to wonder if it's all hype.
Oh, and speaking of hype, have you seen the viral cat versus pig AI-generated videos? People are loving it. They're staged, animated, and absolutely ridiculous. Experts are calling it the next level of algorithmic cuteness.
It's the kind of content that keeps you hooked. A little absurd, but AI's ability to create these entertaining videos is impressive. Who knew AI could be this much fun?
Finally, here's one for the conspiracy theorists. Charlie Kirk, the right-wing influencer, has been made into an AI martyr by some AI-generated content. It's bizarre. AI-created conspiracy books and videos are giving him this almost mythical status.
Seriously? That's next level weird. It's like AI is making its way into politics and even creating figures for people to rally behind. AI is blurring all kinds of lines, from entertainment to politics.
No kidding. With all these developments, one thing's for sure. AI is here. and it's impacting everything from movies to memes and even conspiracy theories. What's next?
Who knows, but it'll be fun to watch. That's all for today's AI Roundup. Thanks for tuning in.
Don't forget to subscribe and join us next time for more wild AI news. Stay curious.